Dear secondary students, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to a new lesson of English which is entitled What a Performance. Lesson 6, Model Test on King Lear. Question number 1. Complete the sentences from the story with a word, then answer the questions. Number 1. Let's plan what to do with the officers. Then we can go into space. The missing word here is battle. Who will Albany and his officers do this against? The answer, against the French army. Number 2, space your trumpet, so I know what has happened. The missing word is blow your trumpet. What will Edgar know if Albany does this? If Albany blow the trumpet, this means he won the battle. Number 3. He is old and his age will make the soldier space sorry for him. The answer will be feel sorry for him. Why does this worry Edmund? The answer, because he wanted to take King Lear as a prisoner, and no one could see him not to support the king. Number 4. Don't space at me, but is it possible that you are my daughter, Cordelia? The answer will be don't laugh at me. Why does Lear think she might do this? The answer, because he didn't recognize her well and he didn't remember anything. Number 5. Edmund, help me to space power from my evil sister. The missing word, to take power. The question, what does Regan promise him if he does this? She promises him if he helps her, he will be the lord and ruler of Albany and Goneril. Question number 2. Complete the sentences with these words from the word box. We have some words to complete these sentences. Cage, equal, invade, starve, suffered, took control of, and trust. Number 1. My grandmother kept a small yellow bird in a space, the missing word, in a cage. Number 2. If animals don't get enough to eat during the long winter, they might space. The answer will be they might starve. Number 3. In the past, many countries tried to space their neighbors, so they needed strong borders. The answer will be try to invade. Number 4. I see my sister as my space. I am the same as her in many ways. The answer will be my equal. Number 5. I always space my friends. They always do the right thing. The answer will be trust. Number 6. We all space after the walk over the mountains. My feet hurt. The answer will be suffered. Number 7. Revolution Day remembers when the Egyptian people space the country. The answer will be took control of the country. Now the third question. Complete the sentences with these words from the play. We have some words: cage, equal, invaded, officers, starve, suffered, trumpet, and trust. Number 1. I don't space him. he stole some money from our teacher. The answer will be I don't trust him. Number 2. My brother is learning to play the space. Play the trumpet. Number 3. Men and women earn space pay when they do the same job. The answer will be equal pay. Number 4. The space told the soldiers where to go. The answer will be officers. Number 5. If you don't get anything to eat, you will space. You will starve. Number 6. The French army space Britain. The answer will be invaded. Number 7. The children space from the cold in winter. The answer will be suffered. Number 8. It's unkind to keep an animal in a space. The answer will be cage. Question number 4. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Why does Lear resist going into the hovel? We have some choices. A. He is afraid that it will collapse on them. B. He believes it's a part of Regan and Goneril's plot. C. He claims that he can make the rain stop whenever he wants. D. He says he is so upset he can't feel the storm. The answer will be D. He says he is so upset he can't feel the storm. Number 2. What does Edgar claim is happening to him? A. His half-brother is betraying him. B. He is being misunderstood by his father. C. He is being pursued and possessed by devils. D. He is being shown visions of the future. The answer will be C. He is being pursued and possessed by devils. Number 3. Why does Lear take off his clothes? A. Out of sympathy with Edgar. B. He feels like he's going to faint. C. He wants to return to a natural state. D. They have been soaked by the storm. The answer will be A. Out of sympathy with Edgar. Number 4. How does Edmund react to the revelation of his father's action? A. He claims to be too horrified to speak. B. He seems not to respond whatsoever. C. He acts like he is grateful but is embarrassed. D. He pretends to be horrified but is secretly glad. The answer will be D. Now we have come to the end of this lesson. Thank you and see you later in the next lesson.